I'm going to show you a video. I put 3 ceiling fans and they have dimmers in the room, so the dimmer makes it loud. And I want to show you. You hear the humming sound? That's the motor being forced because the dimmer's not allowing enough power to go to the fan. I've already done my room a lot more quiet. This thing wouldn't even let you sleep. And here's I put this new switch. This is the old dimmer right here. So I'm gonna remove that and then show you the difference. So first we're gonna go and we're gonna turn off the breaker. So I've already got the breakers marked, every room. I have a labeler and every room's marked so far in kitchen and garage and things that I've actually worked on where I've actually had to test the light and I've been marking them. So here's my breaker box and here's the labeler. So this is my daughter's room right here, master bedroom, and my other daughter's room, Serenity. So Yelena's room, and they previously marked it when they replaced this electrical panel, bedroom number 3, which who the hell knows where that's at. I got 3 bedrooms, so hit the switch. Now we're gonna see if the fan stops working. That means there's no electrical and there's no need to test it with the multimeter, which I have one, but I'm not gonna do it because there's no need to. I know there's no power there. I've worked it. There's no other wires in there, and I know it's not functioning. So let me show you. So the fan, to show you that there is no light. See, here's the light. There is no light here. So right now we're gonna remove this real quick and show you the difference. My daughter's gonna hold it right here while I remove that real quick. So this is actually quite quick. It's only 3 power, 3 wires in there. And these dimmers are actually a little more expensive. They're like $8 versus the regular single pole switch. These were 57 cents at Walmart. Cheap. Focus over here. So we're gonna remove this. About the drill to make it a lot faster. And I've got the metal catcher right there to catch my screw so nothing gets lost. Sheetrock there. And this is it right here. So there's a single pole. Pretty basic. It just has 2 black wires going in here and a ground to this green screw. So what this single pole switch does is it just this one's got power and it cuts it, so it stops the power from running, and that's what stops it from turning on. So pretty basic. Just 2 black wires here, and then the ground over here, and then that's about it. Put it back in. Make sure it's goes back where this one's off, and that's pretty much it. Hey, Yelena, come hold this real quick. Hold that right there. And this one's got it on the quick connect. I don't personally like the quick connect, but that's how they did it. It's a lot faster, but I don't like it, so we're gonna go without it. Just makes it really hard to remove it. Pretty much you just stick it in this hole right here and pull out. That's how these quick connectors work, to pull them out. And to push them in, you just pull it in. But they are annoying. This one I will use the drill, make it a lot faster. getting right here where I'm marking. Okay, so put that in the direction that you're twisting, and then I like to do this. Have your own drill. Put it on the one to not tighten it too much. On the one, not a lot of power. Don't want to overdo it. There we go. And the blacks, we're going to peel off a little more. Not use the quick connect. So I've got my wire strippers here. We're gonna, no, this is about a 12 or 14, so we're gonna start off with the 14 and peel off a little bit more wire. Let's see. Put it in the hole like so. And you pull. And then your other one right here. And the quick connect doesn't need as much wire, that's why we're making a little bit more. So we're gonna make a little loop here. The key is here to see what way your wires go. So they're going this way, so we have to put it that way. Let's see. Okay. Now we grab your pliers. I like the needle nose pliers here. Twist that way. This one should be turning the same way. And I like to do this one to tighten it up so that way it doesn't go out. It makes it harder for the wire to escape. This one, let's see. I'll do it with the drill. See, this one is, you can do it with a screwdriver, but the drill's a lot faster. And then I'll give another time with the screwdriver right here just to make sure it's nice and snug. And I like to take this extra step and wrap some tape. So make sure this is screws out of the way. Oh, got this little plastic in the back. You know where I'm working at now? We're gonna get this electrical tape here. Look at the screen so make sure you're getting what I'm getting. Alright, then we're gonna take about 2 wraps of this. You don't have to do this, but it's a safety precaution. I like it. It takes a second longer, but you don't have to do it. But I like it. It keeps everything in. Nothing makes contact with these tips. Go around. I like going around twice, and that's about it. 1 and 2. I'll cut it off right at the top. Wire fell off. So now we're going to put everything back in. This has to actually be the other way. There we go. Twist it. Put your screw in. Oh, I hate these things. That's it. Now we'll tighten it with the drill. Oh, lost a screw there. Nice and centered. There we go. Now we put this wall plate back, and this one has it is also preserve the air inside the house. Energy efficient makes it. Grab your screw. You could be careful and go and test it right now before everything's put back together, but I know it's gonna work because I did it right. And this should solve the noise. The fan will be a lot quieter and let you sleep at night. Oh, okay. Whispering. And give it a nice little tying up. And there you have it. So now I'm going to hit the power, and hopefully you guys can tell the difference. With the little outlet, as soon as with the dimmer, as soon as you dim down, say somebody's gonna hit the switch, accidentally hits the dimmer a little more, it also causes the motor to force, but it's already being forced. I could tell. I was able to notice a lot with the master bedroom, but even if you were accidentally, like a kid that goes and turns on the light and hits the dimmer a little bit, or turns it off, I would say, because the dimmer goes down, it would cause the motor to be forced. So I'm going right here. Let's see. I'm going to turn this one off because I'm doing this one next, and then I'm going to do the bedroom we were working on right here, which is my daughter's, and turn that one back on. And right now, I will hit it and show you guys the fan, and hopefully you guys can tell the difference. And if you guys are installing a ceiling fan or already have one and it's a little noisy, that may be your problem right there. So we'll walk over there real quick. And here we have it. And oh. It's a lot quieter. So right there, this one's about 3 settings. Don't try this at home. So right there, it's off. This is setting number 1, which is actually the fastest we have. And there is some difference. Minimal, but there is a difference. This one wasn't as bad as my master bedrooms. So there you have it. Please be safe when you're working with electricity. Any questions, comments, negative or positive, let me know, and I will help you answer any questions you have.